Question 2. A man left town M at 10 a.m. and traveled by car to town N at an average speed of 72 kilometers per hour. He spent 2 hours for a meeting and returned to town N by bus at an average speed of 40 kilometers per hour. If the distance covered by the bus was 2 kilometers longer than that of the car and arrived at town M at 1:55 p.m., calculate the distance from M to N. Solution. This question is not direct at all, so you have to listen attentively. Now we have two journey, the going and the coming back, and the meeting that the man attended for about 2 hours. So the average speed from town M to N is 72 kilometers per hour at 10 a.m. by car. So with this, the man arrived at town N. Time for meeting is 2 hours. Average speed back, that is from N to M, is 40 kilometers per hour at 1:55 p.m. by bus. Now let's get the distance. Distance by car is unknown, but distance by bus is 2 kilometers longer. 2 kilometers longer than that of the car. So if we assume the distance by car to be s kilometers, it therefore means that the distance by bus is 2 plus s kilometers. The time taken by car, let that time be t sub 1, and the time by bus be t sub 2. So the time for the whole journey is 10 a.m. to 1:55 p.m. minus the time, the 2 hours spent in that meeting. Now from 10 to 1:55 p.m. is about 3 hours 45 minutes. 3 hours 55 minutes minus 2 hours, and that is 1 hour 55 minutes. If you convert minute to hour, it means you divide it by 60. If you reduce, you have this, and if you convert to improper fraction, you have 23 over 12 hours as the time, total time for the whole journey. That is the first journey by car, and the second, the coming back by bus. From average speed formula, time can be expressed as t equal to distance over speed, because we know the entire time for the journey. We know the speed, but the distance is unknown. So using the information about the time and speed, we can get distance. It follows that the traveling of the man, the time t sub 1 is equal to the distance is s over speed 72, and the coming back, the time is t sub 2, the distance is 2 plus s over speed 40. So if you add the two times, that is t1 plus t2, what we have there is 23 over 12. So t1 is equal to this, and T2 is equal to this. So T1 plus T2 gives this equal to the value of T1 plus T2, and that is 23 over 12. Let's clear the fractions by the LCM of the denominators, which is 360. So if you multiply s over 72 by 360, you have 5 remaining. 5 times s is 5s. You multiply the second term by 360, you have 9 times 2 plus s, and you multiply the right hand side by 360, you have 30 times 23. If you open the bracket and multiply, you have this result. So let's add and collect like terms. 5s plus 9s, you have 14s, equal to 690 minus 18, and you have 14s equal to 672. To get s, divide both sides by 14, and if you do that, you have s to be equal to 48 kilometers. So the distance from M to N is 48 kilometers. Peter's Simplified Maths. If you are watching and view from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe for more updates from time to time. Like and share PSM videos. If you are viewing and watching from Facebook, follow and like the page for more updates from time to time. Share PSM videos.